Hello family. Hi, how are you? Are you doing good? Oh, is that a glow? I think it is. Sister got cute on y'all for this video, okay?
It's the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you pop, way that you, way that you talk.
Oh, what it do? Oh, what's up? Can I? What's good, fam? What's up? It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys. Clearly, I'm feeling great. Feeling great. Okay, feeling good, sis. Yes. I hope you are feeling good as well on this lovely Friday. Okay, because sis, it's about to go down. Not in the DMs. Look at this hair. So on Wednesday, we installed these twists using the TGIN Miracle Repair RX leave-in and curl food. And today, we're taking them down. So let's get a little peek. They are shiny. Look at that. Sis, do you see the shine on these twists? Do you see the shine? Huh? It's a juicy situation, okay sis? So yes, that's what we're doing in today's video. So I'm about to go ahead and put some oil on my fingers. This is the Miracle RX oil, because y'all know we can't be having frizz, okay? Block out that frizz, So go ahead and rub that on the twists like that, girl. Yes. Ooh, oh. Not used to lashes. Alright, so let's go ahead and take these twists down. Feeling real good about this, sis. Ooh. Ooh. There it is. There it is, sis. See? I had faith. I had faith. Y'all, this oil smells so doggone good. Oh my gosh. Alright. The definition is popping, as we can see. Look at that. Yes. Oh wait, forgot this one. Look at that definition, sis. It's popping. Yes. All right. Let's go ahead and unravel the rest of these bad boys. So this is this side, and y'all, the definition. Sis, talk to me now. Talk to me. Okay? I'm still waiting on a name to call these bottom twist out. So y'all need to keep on dropping the names in the comment section below. Look at this. Do you see it? Because I mean, this looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel this side as well while we are here. And then I'm going to do this side off camera and come and show y'all the final result. So of course we are going to twirl the end of the hair around our finger each time we separate. That is a vital rule in the Twistout 101 series, which, by the way, if you have not watched it yet, Tripping. Period. Tripping. Don't be in my comment section talking about why my twist out don't look right. Why my twist out so fluffy, so frizzy. It's not defined. Did you watch the series? Oh. All right, fam. Hello. How are we doing? Look at this hair. Popping. Popping. Look at that. Yes. Woo. Definition is on part. So I'm gonna go take this side out and we're gonna look at these final results. I am loving the hair. Now y'all, with this combination, I am seeing that I have more volume right off back than, I still have definition, but I do have a little bit of frizz like near my roots area. So this combination, it gave me the correct definition, but it also gave me a lot of volume. So if you're looking for a combo that gives you definition and volume, this is something to try. I love how my hair looks though. Like, it's absolutely perfect to me. Like, it's the right volume definition ratio. Like, yes. This hair is killing. I'm turning around so y'all can see. Like, I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Let me know what y'all think about this combo in the comment section down below. Also, go ahead and give me a name for these pop and twist out combos, sis, okay? We need a name. I keep looking at myself in this little mirror thing right here, girl. I look so good. Oh, I look so cute. So yes, that's the conclusion of this combination, this video, this combo. Let me know y'all think about this in the comment section down below. It is Black Friday. I'm going shop. I'm going to look cute, okay? Making some stuff for free. You never know, okay? Looking this good, girl. Look. Okay? But yes, y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did not subscribe by now, smash the button down below. Smash the button down below. I bet you thought I forgot, huh? I bet you thought I forgot. You was like, sis ain't even say to subscribe. I ain't forget. Subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? Smash that button down below. Become part of the fam. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below as well. And I'm going to see y'all with my next video. Love y'all as always. Peace.